What's going on YouTube? Cooper coming at you. I want to show you my photo setup behind me for eBay and other selling platforms where I take photos of items in under a minute each, sometimes as quick as 30 seconds. Most of the stuff I take photos of is clothes such as shirts, jeans, a little bit of shoes, some hats. I'll show you right here. I'm going to show you what my photo setup consists of, why I use the things I do, and why it's set up where it is. And then after that, I'll show you some examples of me taking photos and we can review it, see how fast I did it. And if you have any questions about anything, drop them down low in the comments and I'll try to answer them for you. Without further ado, let's check it out. All right, this is the setup, guys. I'll start with the floor mat I got from Walmart for 20 bucks. This might be controversial because it is not a white background. It is actually a brownish color, beigeish color carpet. I think this looks better for pre-owned stuff. The contrast is better. It contrasts better with the colors. I used to use a white background and it did not contrast well with blues. And a lot of stuff I sell is blue, including jeans. So I think this makes the colors look more accurate, and from what we've heard online, it reduces returns as well because a white background makes items look better than they actually are, and you don't want to be overselling a product. You want to be underselling and over delivering, and I think this helps with that in multiple different ways. Up here we got the famous Reseller ruler. Makes taking measurements super easy and super quick. For the lighting setup, we got these two box lights here, and the lights they came with actually broke. So let me turn this off here, and I actually got these little LED lights from Walmart that are pretty cheap. They're a certain lumen. I'll have to go find the box for them. These are the lights I now use. The big lights originally came with halogen, big swirly lights that got really hot and broke way too quick. So these are the daylight 1600 lumens, great value LEDs. They give off really good, accurate sunlight in my opinion, and I just like how the photos look with them. So I got one bulb in that one bulb in that one, and then I got these cheapo lights here, the three light thing, and then one in there, one in there. So I got 4 lights hitting on my item. Boom, really good light. For clothes, this is where my items start. I actually don't have a lot on here right now, but they start here, they go right here, boom, and then when they're done, they go here. So boom, boom, boom. For my photos, got the famous Tekken Sports Canon PowerShot ELPH 180 point and shoot camera. Might be controversial, but this camera is awesome. It's a tank. It lasts forever. You put it in, you got the power right here, you got the SD card, and this is the key. Taking all the photos, they instantly load onto the SD card. When you're done taking photos, pop this out, plug it into your computer. You don't need to spend any time transferring the photos from some cloud service where half of them get deleted or there's errors or something. This works every single time and it saves a ton of time. So we got the photo there, and then I have the battery recharge for the camera right here, which is nice, just right here. So this, when I'm done with that battery, done taking photos, swap it with this battery, and it's a never-ending recharge cycle, so you never have to worry about that. Got the scissors for cutting loose threads, lint roller for getting lint and stuff off items, a little spray bottle for water. Sometimes you need that. Let me zoom this out a little bit. There we go. Clothes shaver to get pilling off when you need it, a little trash can over here, and I got some microfiber towels over there if I need to wipe off the lens of the camera. Over here we got the counter, so every time I take a picture of an item and put it down, tap this counter so I know how many items I've taken photos of, and then you can reset it every day. And yeah, I got one more big ruler over here for stuff that has a inseam that is longer than 36 inches, which is pretty rare, but it happens. So this one goes all the way to 48 inches, or if I need to measure something that's longer than this. Last thing to show, if I have a flaw on an item, I have a notepad right up here on this light with a pen, just held up by these janky little clips, but it works somehow. So say I'm taking a picture of a shirt and there's a hole in the front or a spot on the front, I'll come up here with an abbreviation. If it's a spot on the front, I'll just write SOF, and then whatever the shirt is, like a Tommy Bahama shirt, TB. And then I'll make sure to write down all the flaws of all the items here quickly. And then when I'm listing on the computer, I make sure I don't forget or miss any of the flaws, and I'll just cross them off as I write them in the description. All right, now time for taking the photos. I got my camera ready. I'll do 2 pairs of jeans, 2 shirts, and a pair of shoes. We'll time it, see how fast I can do them, and I'll try to talk you through my process while taking the photos. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Camera starts down there for me, and we can start the timer once I touch the jeans. So ready, set, go. Got the jeans, hold it here, put it down like so. Make sure there's no wrinkles. First photo, second photo. Do the waist measurement, do the rise measurement, and the inseam measurement. Do the flip for the back. Get the wrinkle out of there. Do 2 of those. And we will do the tag here, style and the size, and the material. Done with that one. On to the next, same here. Put the waist out there, make sure it's all the way out so the measurement is accurate. Get those wrinkles out. Photo 1, photo 2, waist measurement, rise, inseam, back. Okay. Back again. Get the tag here. This one's kind of hard to see. Got to zoom in on size, material. Okay. Moving on to a shirt. Graphic print here. Seeing a cruise, pretty easy. Set it down as so. I start with the back on this one because the graphic's bigger. And I usually do the measurement on the back too, so I'm going to add that in here. Full, then we'll get the pit to pit. Then the shoulder to bottom. Good. Flip it over. Put that there. Boom. Get that front logo. Get the tag here. Get the tag and the size. Good on this one. Get this button shirt here. Long sleeves can be a little trickier getting the sleeves all perfect. That wasn't a great lay. With practice, you'll get better at that. Good. Get the logo. Okay. See if I can lay this backside out better. A little better, a little better. Okay. And then with this one, get the measurement right here. Pit to pit. Shoulder to bottom. Material tag. Size tag. Good. Shoes. These aren't set up great, but all right. Boom. Side. Front. 2 of the bottom. Because why not? Side. Back. Insides. Back inner heel. Gonna get a picture of this front tag too, just for fun. And then the size and style code tag. Good to go. That's 5. As you noticed, this is laying them all on the ground. A little bit of a workout, kind of going back and forth with measurements and whatnot. But that makes it the fastest. It's kind of nice because you get a little bit of a workout when you're doing it. But there we go. All right, this is redemption time. Looking back at the film, I did all those in about 40 to 50 seconds. I think I can get it down to 30 seconds, hopefully, we'll do it with this last pair of jeans. Got my camera here. Get it ready. Ready to go? All right, let's see if we can do it. Ready, set, go. Good. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. That inseam. Perfect. Oh, good, good, good. Okay. Last 2, get that tag. That one, get the last one here. Time. So there we have it. That's my setup for taking photos of items for eBay and other reselling platforms. If you have any questions about anything, leave them in the comments below. Same if you have any video suggestions. I'm thinking about doing one covering my inventory system, which I think helps speed it up compared to a lot of other inventory systems that other people do. And also listing online on the website itself, fast ways to list items quick. Same with photos. The faster you can list items, the more you can list in an hour and the more money you'll make. It's a skill that's hard to level up, but when you can, it's very beneficial. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.